Over the last 12 months, I've been experimenting with a few faceless YouTube channels which I started from scratch, and I believe I finally cracked the code to lightning fast monetization on YouTube. If your goal is to get monetized on YouTube in a month or less, you should be able to do precisely that after watching this video. I'll show you a guaranteed 3-step formula that will help you attain the YouTube monetization requirements in just a fraction of the time. So stick around to the end if you're serious about getting your faceless YouTube channel monetized in under 30 days. Before I show you the 3-step formula, let's look at some examples of other channels doing the same thing to prove to you that this actually works. This channel here has only 20 videos uploaded. If you take a closer look, all the videos they've posted are YouTube shorts. A quick look at the popular videos reveals that one of the shorts has close to 9 million views. That's already 90% of the 10 million shorts views you need to get monetized. As you can see here, this channel is monetized and it's making money through AdSense, which is what we want. Let's look at another example of a channel doing something similar. This one is called Stellar Sagas. They have only 25 video uploads, 17 of which are shorts, and their most viewed short is sitting at close to 4 million views. Again, if we check if the channel is monetized using this tool, you can see it's making money through AdSense. How are these channels able to do this, you ask? Well, it's not magic. It's part of the 3-step formula I'm about to uncover. To understand this formula, you need to understand how YouTube really works. Let me lay the foundation. YouTube rewards you for keeping the viewers watching longer by showing more of your content to other viewers. The better your viewer retention, the faster you can grow. After tons of research, several sleepless nights, and many failures, it finally hit me. The easiest place to get viewer retention without having to worry about things like click-through rate and thumbnails is on YouTube Shorts. To get monetized with YouTube Shorts, you currently need 10 million Shorts views plus 1,000 subscribers. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, you can do this in less than 30 days. The right Shorts video could get you 1,000 subscribers in a single day. Let's unveil the first part of our 3-step formula, which is your videos need to be interesting videos that people want to watch. Sounds cliche, but it's true. You can't get longer view durations by boring your audience to death. This is where you'll need the help of our trusty AI tool, Perplexity AI. Let's quickly ask it to generate a list of 20 of the most notorious serial killers and the crimes they committed. Boom, it's done. Just like that, you have 20 video ideas in a niche that almost anyone on YouTube will watch if you present the videos well. That brings us to the next part of the formula, presenting the story. We all know that presentation matters. This is how Elizabeth Holmes, a complete fraud, was able to make bank by selling hot air to Silicon Valley investors. She knew what to say and how to say it.
The answer to our challenges in healthcare lies in
engaging and empowering the individual.
Just make sure you're not committing any fraud like she did. Presentation includes the script and the video edits. Your story should be compelling enough to grab the viewer's attention, and the edits should be immersive enough to keep them hooked on your video. If you do these two things correctly, they'll keep coming for more day after day. If you don't trust yourself to write a killer script, you can use free AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity AI for inspiration. But don't copy and paste the exact script from these tools if you want to get monetized by YouTube. For the voiceover, you can use text-to-speech AI tools to read it out for you. Both the channel's examples I showed you are using text-to-speech software. I recommend Flicky AI, which comes with numerous voices and accents. Plus, you can clone your own voice and use it to make your work easier. I'll link it down below. The third part of this formula is one that most people don't like to hear, but it has to be said, it's consistency. YouTube's algorithm needs data, and it can only gather that when you post more videos. Your first couple of shorts probably won't get any views if the channel is brand new. But don't quit. One of the shorts is bound to go viral, and when that happens, the viewers will want to check out the other gems you've posted. This is how it snowballs into several views. You don't want the viral short to be the very first post because people won't have anything else to binge watch. Make sure you don't leave any money on the table. Couple the YouTube AdSense program with affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts, and you'll be making good money. You can watch this video next to learn how you can use free AI tools and YouTube Shorts to make up to 30 grand in 90 days or less.